What's up, everybody? Sorry for the wind noise. The wind just picked up. I haven't posted a video in probably a week and a half. Sorry about that, but I've been on that greenway, and I don't really. It's all the same old mess, and I just honestly haven't felt like recording anything. But I'm on another job today because that greenway was too wet. So I'll show y'all what we're doing today. So this is pond conversion, and my boss man was out here. He's been out here working on this for a couple days, I think. But I'm just gonna show y'all the new machine we got. It's a Volvo 220 EC220 EL or something. Yeah, but he just got this last week, or maybe this week. Honestly, I can't remember. All my days have run together, but anyway, I'll show y'all some more of that in the cab and stuff. But you can see this pink stake, that pink stake, all the way down through here. This is a wet pond, and it's gonna have a shelf. I don't know how well you'll be able to tell on camera over there, but it's got a littoral shelf in it, and these stakes, these pink stakes, are the back of that shelf. So I'm gonna go down here and cut that little ditch to this pump and try to get this bit of water out, and then I'm gonna start right here at this pump and work my way down here. But yeah, this is what I'll be doing today. So this machine does have the grade control right here. This screen down here is just for like cameras and gauges and stuff, and this one, as you can see, it's got the grade control. It shows whatever your slope, side profile. Oh, I didn't know you could do this. That's kind of neat. I guess if you're trenching in a straight line or whatever, but yeah, so it's got that. I mean, this thing's got a gajillion buttons on the joystick. It's got 1, 2, 3, there's a roller on the back, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 rollers on them. I haven't ran it but just a minute, and it seems it's really fast, but it's pretty neat. The windshield and stuff's already dirty. Brian was mucking out this pond with it, so got mud all over it. But yeah, I'll set the camera up somewhere and start grading. I'm back home fixing to edit this video now, and just wanted to add, we got this thing from Chance Harwood at Ascendium. I guess that's how you say it, Ascendium Construction Equipment or something, here in Charlotte. I think they're out of Concord. I just wanted to give him a plug. Me and him went to high school together, and he's a real good guy, real good salesman. He does pretty much everything over there, dealing with sales, rentals, all that stuff, and he'll get you taken care of. If anybody ever sees this and is in the market for a machine, he's the man to go to here in Charlotte. But now, where I'm at, whoever graded this before came off of these backyards, and instead of being a nice 3-to-1 slope, they pushed this slope way out. Like it's not supposed to be that far. You can see, let's see right here. You can see that stake right there probably had 4 or 5 feet of cut on it. So they had, I guess they just had extra dirt and just pushed it down the hill, built this slope out. So right now the slope, the slope kind of looks like that. Say this is the bottom down here and this is the top, instead of being a nice even slope. Sorry, it's like that. Now that we've cut the bottom back 15 feet or so. So I'm just gonna take this dirt and just start pulling it, working it up this way and throwing it up on top of the hill behind me.
Garrett Long.
Yes, sir. Oh, pretty good. How you doing?
You riding some air conditioning today?
Trying to, man. I'm trying to.
What you up to?
Oh, just digging some dirt.
Digging dirt. Are we filming?
Oh yeah, right now actually. You can be famous, man.
I thought I already was.
You are. You are. Yeah. We're just trying to get your followers up there. More,
Okay.
more.